What's up guys? Welcome to Wayne's Tech Review. For today's video, we will be unboxing a brand new iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue. So without further ado, let's get it on. For those who are considering to get the brand new iPhone 12 Pro, there are actually 4 different color options that you can choose from: gray, graphite, gold, and Pacific Blue. So here you go guys, this is the brand new iPhone 12 Pro, and what I ordered here is the Pacific Blue in 512 gigabytes. So let's check it out. What I have here right now is a brand new iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue. If you can see, it's completely sealed in plastic and of course the Apple logo. And if you flip it on this side, you will see the simplicity, the compact design of the packaging from Apple. And of course, from the back side, you'll see the iPhone 12 Pro Pacific Blue 512 gigabytes. So here you go guys, this is what you can exactly get. And of course, let's open it. When you open the box, you'll see the iPhone 12 Pro. And as soon as you grab it in your hands, you will definitely feel a very stunning and a very compact design of the latest iPhone 12 Pro. And of course, the side frame is made out of stainless steel and it's super shiny. The only downfall is that it attracts a lot of fingerprints. Of course, the Apple logo at the back. And it has also 3 different cameras. So for those who love to take photos and videos without carrying the heavy bulky cameras, I believe this will do the job. And of course, the lightning port. And here's your iPhone 12 Pro. So when you grab this little box here, I believe it contains your manuals. So let's open it. So here you go guys, you have your pin ejector. This allows you to open the part that you can put your SIM card in your iPhone 12 Pro. And of course, the manuals. So here you go guys, everything what you have to know about your iPhone, it is written here. And of course, you also have the Apple logo sticker. So there you go guys, that's what you can see inside this little small box. So let's put it back together and let's put it down. And you will also receive your charging cable. With this charging cable, the first end of it is a Type-C. And of course, the other end of it is a lightning cable pin. With this charging cable, you will be able to charge your phone in a short period of time. So there you go. So just for a quick wrap up, I'm gonna show you again what are the things that you can see when you buy your iPhone 12 Pro. And of course, the device itself, the iPhone 12 Pro, depending what color and what gigabytes you will get. And also the charging cable, the manuals, the sticker, and of course, for the very last thing, the pin ejector. So those are the things that you can exactly get when you get a brand new iPhone 12 Pro. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell below so you will be notified with all the videos that I will be uploading in the future. So once again, thank you for watching Wayne's Tech Review. See you next time.